So awesome. And we have Bon Odori, Japanese summer traditional dance. We're gonna dance over there later on. So our dancers will wear the yukata mainly because it's a summer festival. Look at the goldfish. Pretty, fantastic. And pretty flowers. Fantastic.
Excellent. I heard Dad put kimono on his daughters. Can you believe it?
Yeah. Summer festival, yukata, and fireworks. Bring back some memory.
Next, we introduce Shichigo-san. Shichigo-san is a traditional celebration held in November to honor the growth and well-being of children aged 3, 5, and 7. On this special day, children wear formal kimono and visit shrines with their families to give thanks and pray for a healthy future. While the children wear formal kimono, parents often wear elegant homongi or visiting kimono. Homongi are suitable for family celebrations and special occasions, expressing refined beauty and grace.
That's so cute. So 3 years old and 7 years old for the girls.
And 5-year-old for boys.
Yes.
Do you have any Shichigo-san memory?
Oh yes. When I was 5, I was wearing just like these boys, and the girl has got the candy chitose ame. That was my. Very cute. I love the hair. How to say kanzashi as well. Hanakazari. Yeah. Fantastic.
Began in the Meiji era, when female students and teachers wore hakamas as a symbol of education and independence. The outfit, as you can see, consists of a kimono, often furisode or a more casual kimono, paired with hakama, a pleated skirt-like garment worn over the kimono. Hakama are often in solid or softly graded colors such as deep green, burgundy, navy, or purple, creating a calm and dignified appearance. The pleats are sometimes set to represent virtues such as sincerity, respect, and discipline, qualities associated with learning and adulthood. This style expresses both celebration and farewell, marking the end of student life and the beginning of a new chapter.
So many different color combinations you can make as well. Yeah.
Waves and other seasonal designs. Each pattern carries symbolic meaning, good luck, longevity, beauty, or prosperity.
It's so beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Usually I use this sole as a pocket, but they have long pockets.
Yes. They can put lots of things.
And also how they put the eri any part to maximize the beauty of that angle. Isn't? Oh yes, fantastic. Wow, Haruko-san, which color do you like?
Wow, it's hard to say. All of them beautiful. How about you?
I would wear black or green or black. And also the obi has got so many different styles. Please check out when the model turns around. Here you go, just like origami.
Indeed, yeah. Obi with furisode is often tied up in very elaborate way of tying.
I see. Okay, so next one is Omiya Mairi.
Yes, next we introduce Omiya Mairi kimono. Omiya Mairi is the kimono worn for this occasion is known as a ubugi or ceremonial baby kimono. It is often richly decorated with auspicious motifs such as ferns for longevity, pine trees for resilience, flowing water for purity, and seasonal flowers. Each design carries heartfelt wishes from the family to the child. Traditionally, the baby is wrapped in this elegant kimono and held in the arms of a family member, as you are just seeing, symbolizing protection, continuity, and the passing of blessings from one generation to the next. More than a garment, this kimono represents love, gratitude, and the deep connection between family, culture, and spiritual tradition.
So cute! Our youngest model.
Now we arrive at one of the most important milestones in life, a wedding. The bride wears a traditional wedding kimono, often in pure white or richly decorated styles, symbolizing purity, new beginnings, and happiness. The groom's attire is called Montsuki Haori Hakama. At the center is the Montsuki, a form of black silk kimono decorated with family crests known as kamon. These crests are placed on the chest, sleeves, and back, symbolizing family lineage and honor. Black here is not for mourning, it represents formality and authority. One of the most luxurious bridal kimono is the uchikake. Uchikake is a highly formal outer kimono worn by brides in traditional Shinto weddings. Unlike everyday kimono, it is not tied with an obi. Instead, it is worn open over another kimono and allowed to trail along the floor, creating a powerful and graceful silhouette. Uchikake are made with rich fabrics, often heavy silk and elaborate embroidery. Common designs include cranes, pine trees, walking on the street.
Is it? Yeah, awesome. That's an arrow design, yeah. And I think this is also kimono.
Yeah. Yeah.
So cool. Yeah. Wow.
Wow, look at the boots and
Yeah, boots and kimono. Fantastic.
It's Japanese traditional costume, and the cherry blossom are dyed. Cherry blossom. And finally, koshi obi. Koshi obi. The 5 colors. This is five colors, and this is it represents protection from needle. This is Sansa Odori costume, and please enjoy Sansa Odori costumes and Sansa Odori and Japanese costumes. Thank you.
それでは、聞いてみましょう。よいしょ。はい、walk again. It's gonna be the last round. Surfing. 踊りましょうかリズムに合わせ。はい、surfing. Sunscreen, right, left, right, left, Ah, now you guys remember the moves. Right, left, Right arm, left arm, circle, and cha-chonga chong. One more, cha-chonga chong. I think you already know it. I'm gonna press play. Let's go.